is one of the best ways to get rid of infection, stubborn infection, any kind of infection. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing. Hit the red subscribe button, turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I upload videos like this. So the ingredients are so very active, full of antioxidants, and will help to get rid of those infections. The antimicrobial properties and antibacterial effect it has will help to make sure it treats you from the inside out. So you want to know how to prepare this remedy. Keep watching. This is not only for treating infection, it will as well help to make you smell fresh, tightening, and so many more. So without wasting time, let's go ahead to make this remedy for you right away. So in this video, I'll be showing how you can make use of this herb in treating infections, in removing odor, and getting your dandruff very firm, returning it back to normal. This herb is called rosemary. So you can make use of rosemary leaf. Here is the dried one. Very potent, it's powerful against bacterial infections, helping in preventing staph infections. The nutrients in rosemary will help to protect your skin cells from damaging caused by sun and free radicals. It as well contains antimicrobial properties, a very powerful infection fighter. So you have to get rosemary. As you can see, this is not thyme. There are differences between thyme and rosemary. Rosemary is longer than thyme. Okay, so I got mine from one organic shop. You can as well make use of the fresh rosemary leaf, as I said earlier, and the procedure in making it is still the same. So what you have to do is to wash it thoroughly. I'll be showing you the amount to use for a glass. You can make more of this, like increasing the quantity to make a large amount. This is wonderful. I love it so much because it's very effective. We are going to be boiling it, okay? Yes, you have to boil it. And here is my old pot, which I normally use for my remedies. So I want to make for 2 glass cup. So 1 tablespoon is enough for 2 glass cup. The next one is clove. Okay, you have to make use of clove. Clove is antibacterial, antimicrobial. It contains anti-inflammatory properties as well that will help to get rid of infections very fast. I've shared how to make use of clove in this channel a lot. Like one of it is treating infection and conceiving. Like if you want to boost your ovulation, this will help a lot. It helps generally to strengthen your immunity and making sure you conceive. Alright, so I won't be making use of the stick. I have the powdered one which I'll be using. If you have the clove stick, you can still make use of it, okay? So I'll be adding my clove powder, just a little of it. If you do not have clove, you can make use of only rosemary. Rosemary is very potent on itself. So half tablespoon of clove powder is perfect. And I'm going to add my 2 glasses of water. Remember, if you are making for 2 glasses, you have to add 2.5 glasses because of the boiling. There will be some water loss as a result of the heating. So right now, I'll go straight to the kitchen and boil it. I'll be right back. After boiling it for about 15 to 20 minutes, you have to be stirring it as it boils. Once in a while, you stir it. Use a wooden spoon to stir it, okay? So after that, you have to allow it to cook for some time before straining it out. With the help of my strainer, I'll be straining it. this is one of the strongest infection fighter. Like if you have staph, if you have discharge, smelling odor, or if you want to just keep yourself fresh always, you have to try this. This is very effective. So you can drink it, you can use it to wash down there to keep yourself fresh and smelling good. If you want to drink it, take 1 glass early morning once a day, okay, to treat you from the inside out, getting rid of those infections and killing bacterial infection as well. So you can use the remain to wash your dandruff. It will also help to firm it up, like regaining womanhood. Okay, the most effective one is drinking it 1 glass a day and you get your results. If you take this for 3 days, you will see the full benefits. If you have severe infection, take this treatment 7 days or more to get total cure. So make a large amount of this, store it and be using it every day. Okay, if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed yet, kindly do so by hitting the red subscribe button. Turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I upload videos like this. I'll see you in my next video.